This video will demonstrate how to export shapes to the IES shape database for use in other IES applications such as VisualAnalysis. Let's get started. Starting out, we have already drawn the eye shape in ShapeBuilder as shown. Now we can export the shape to the IES shape database to use in other IES applications such as VisualAnalysis. We are given several options when exporting from ShapeBuilder to the database. First, we can specify the shape tree location by selecting the database, category, and naming the shape. Next, we choose a design type for the shape from the list. Right now, we have an eye shape. Finally, we review the shape properties and fill in any required properties. For this case, we see the default material for the shape will be A992 steel, and we see a note saying the required properties must be set and to review all the properties carefully. For the eye shape, we are required to enter the values for the flange thickness, the center and edge fillets, and the web thickness. There are some optional properties that we can fill in if needed, and we also see the properties automatically entered from ShapeBuilder. Note that we can manually override the ShapeBuilder properties if needed. Once we are confident that everything is correct, we click Finish to export the shape to the database. Now let's modify the shape to make it more complicated by adding a channel connected to the side. When we go to export the shape to the database, we see that this shape does not fit any of the standard shape types, so we will export it as an analysis blob. Again, we should review the shape properties for the analysis blob, but we do not have any required properties that we have to enter. Having exported the eye shape and the analysis blob, let's switch over to VisualAnalysis to see how to use our exported shapes. Here in VisualAnalysis, we have two cantilevered beams with point loads at the end. Selecting the top beam, we will specify its section as our eye shape, and selecting the bottom beam, we will specify its section as our analysis blob. Turning to the results view, we see that VisualAnalysis produces the analysis results for both the eye shape and the analysis blob. We can view numerous results for both beams, such as the moments, the shears, and the displacements. Switching to the design view, we see that the capacity of the eye shape has been determined according to the AISC specification. This beam passes the code checks since its unity value is less than 1. The capacity of analysis blobs cannot be calculated because they are not specified as standard shapes that fall within the scope of the design specifications. In ShapeBuilder, it is easy to export shapes to the IES database for use in other IES applications. Thank you for watching and have a great day.